Was.
Okay.
What the fuck?
I'm about to Google it. Come here. I think I pretty much got it though.
No. I don't
I don't
know
know what the hell you got.
what that was, cause y'all went from the bee and the bird was hunching to the flower being a hoe to the flower being a.
The flower got that slow. The flower got that ninja. That give it to the bee. Got that ninja. But he give it to the bee voluntarily, not involuntarily. Right, he knows.
I feel you on the story. Got it. She want the little fortunes. I know how kids be. Oh, let me get you right there, cuz.
She only said that because she knew it was your spot. She don't never get it.
That's right there, cuz. Gotta get you a thing for you. Oh, I got you.
But they gonna get it from over top, Junior.
I ain't gonna cover the baby. Yeah, okay, it's on the suffer, baby.
Yeah, something else.
No, it's the fortunes, cuz. You gotta hold it down, cuz.
She like, nah,
Cuz, you hold it down, won't you, bro? Ain't that right, bro? I know, bro. Look, bro, hold it. Please stop playing with y'all.
He said, ah.
I'm about to go see my baby.
Who that? Oh, so you got a baby down here and a baby up there and a baby what?
I ain't touching that.
What happened?
He talking about what happened? Who put these big dookie things in your head, bro?
He wanted that.
No, he did. He just said.
So, Junior, you ain't want that? That ain't what you told me? All right, Junior.
Them boys in the hood selling anything for profit. It's 5 in the morning on the corner clock.
Y'all know what I listen to?
What she said?
This is what I listen to right here. Y'all need to listen to this song. Cause this song is this song.
This is my
This is my song, bro.
No.
Gotcha.
What that is? It's a ringtone. You don't have ringtones no more?
Hello?
You listen to music.
Hello?
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Fuck you talking about?
Y'all gotta get me something to drink. Look. We're gonna go get some of that thing.
No.
Kimberly.
Oh, no.
Kimberly, I get y'all to watch
Oh,
this.
check out, hey, look, check out, oh.
You give her what?
Get it. Get it.
You heard what she said? I'm over here feeding a kid.
Yeah.
Said she gonna give you $1 for 30 minutes.
Walmart pay me $8.20 an hour. So with that being said, you gonna be paying me $14.
Junior, you gotta let her say her song for y'all. Let's see if she'll sing it. She gonna be in the music face like this. Wait,
Look, bro, bye.
Mia. Let it hear. Mia. Hey. There you go, nigga. That finger.
Oh, shoot.
You gotta wait till her part come on. Why she always jump around the house when this song come on? You gotta wait till the part come on. Yeah, mama. Get up. Stop. Leave it alone. Now she big. She don't want to say it. Stick 'em. She ain't with it no more. She mad.